Hey y'all, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. But if it is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm back! So I know it's been a while since I've put a video out there. I'm so sorry. A lot has been going on. I think I put my last video out back in maybe June or July when I had the lice attack. It has been 3 years since I've been sister locked. I got sister locked November 18th of 2020. So here we are. So some of the things that I have been going through during this journey is still the slippage. I'm still getting slippage, especially on the side where like most of my locks came out when I had to get my lice treatments. So I'm slipping a lot on my right side. I'm also going through some unraveling, and that is also on this side. A lot has been going on this side. I don't know why. A lot is really thin on this side. I also tend to touch this side a lot. So I'm going to show you a comparison, I guess, of my growth on this side and just how it's just uneven. And so a lot of you guys, when I take pictures, you think that I have like a bob cut, but I don't. It's really just me touching on my hair and thinning it out with hands and hair syndrome. So that's another thing that I'm going through this 3-year journey. So some good news is I'm able to finally put my hair up into a high ponytail and or a bun. I remember I'm going to put in a clip of like when I first began my journey of when I wanted to like get a high bun or a ponytail and I couldn't wait. Like I cannot wait until my back is long enough so I can put my hair up into a bun. That would be freaking awesome. I cannot wait. So I was able to achieve that this year. I think I was able to get that high ponytail back in maybe April of this year or May. And it's just gotten fuller and fuller. So I'll show you guys a picture or a video of how I achieved my high ponytail and my bun. Also, as you can see here, my locks are touching my shoulders. So I am experiencing some growth here and my locks have finally dropped. I'm going to show you a picture or 360 of my locks and everything and how they are growing and maturing. They're thickening up. I have a couple of really thick locks in the back of my head, and I have some really skinny locks around along the perimeter of my head. So I'll show you that. What else has been going on? So I'm still on a 6-week schedule. I go and get my locks retied every 6 weeks, and I only wash my hair before I get my locks retied. I know, nasty, right? But I don't, sweat a lot. It's not the summertime, so I just don't see myself washing my locks every week or every other week. Now, if it gets really dirty, I will go ahead and wash it. But my locks, by the time the 6 weeks roll around, it's time to wash my locks. And yeah, so I'm a really low maintenance type of girl. So again, I wash my locks maybe every 5 to 6 weeks along with my retie schedule, which is every 5 to 6 weeks. So am I still using oils in my hair to try to prevent lice? Yes and no. Now I'm not like putting oil on my scalp. I'm not doing that, but I am putting essential oils in my spray bottle, and I spray my locks daily. Like I know that some people don't do that, and I know that's probably what is causing my slippage, but I still have PTSD from the lice situation, and I do not want to get it again. Also, I don't really wear my hair down anymore. When I'm at work, I tend to have my hair up in a high bun because I can do that now, or just off my shoulders. So because I just don't want to have lice anymore. That's no. So yes, I do spritz my locks in the morning with my rose water and my essential oil mixture. And again, if you have not seen my video on how to properly mix essential oils with water, I'll link it down below, because you have to have an ingredient to emulsify your oils and water, because we all know that oils and water do not mix. even if you shake it, it won't mix. So you need that one ingredient to help it bind together. So I'll link that video down below for you guys. I got my last retie a week ago. So yeah, last week was my last retie. And my loctician did say that my hair was a little crispy, a little dry. And I think that's also because of the weather change. Also because I'm not drinking enough water. And also because my hair is just dry. It's just dry naturally. I have low porosity hair. So it was really dry when I was a loose natural. So that is the reason why I'm spritzing my water. And I know that that's not going to solve the issue. I know I need to work from within. So yes, I need to have more water intake and also take my vitamins. So I am working on that. But let me go ahead and show you guys how my scalp is looking. I'm gonna show you how my grid is looking. I'm gonna try to put in some comparison videos to show you the growth that I've been experiencing. I'm not going to show you guys like a visual journey. If you want me to do a separate video on my visual journey from 1 month to 36 months, just let me know in the comments. But I'll just show you a couple of pictures and a very few videos of comparison from now, from then until now. So here we go. So I'm going to take my bobby pins out of my hair so you guys can see, I guess, the full aspect or the full spectrum of my locks. And if you hear like tapping upstairs, those are my little Frenchies walking around my floors. So I'm so sorry. But so I want to show you this side, my right side, and maybe put up a comparison photo of my right side so you can see the growth and just how uneven it is compared to the rest of my hair. Can you guys see that? So right up in here is like really thin because I'm always picking at this side, and then it gets kind of thicker as it goes in the back of my hair. So I do have a lot of growth. If you can look at the comparison, I'm going to show a shot. I have some growth in the back. I'm kind of proud of that growth in the back. I'm going to show you this side. And this side is also the same. It's really thin up in here, which gives the appearance of a bob look from the front. So as you can see, let me adjust it some. As you can see from the front, it looks like I have a bob, like it's coming down this way because it looks it looks thicker, I guess, up in here and then thinner down here, but only because it's really thin on up right on this side, and it's really thin on this side. So I mean, I guess aesthetically it looks okay in the front, but I'm not comfortable with it. So, and some people are telling me maybe just cut it to, you know, make it even. I'm not cutting my hair. I'm gonna just rock with it. It's gonna just do what it do. So a fellow YouTuber, and her name is A Crown Queen. That's her YouTube channel. She told me some months ago how I could like achieve a high ponytail or a high bun with short locks, and I didn't believe her, so I didn't really try it, but she was right. So thank you so much, A Crown Queen. Thank you, girl. So I'm going to show you guys what she told me to do, and I'm pretty sure if you've done this before, or if you've had you've done a high ponytail or a bun, then this is like not a secret to you. But for the ones that don't know, you just take the front section of your hair, and I like to leave a few locks out along my perimeter just so it won't pull. So you take the front section, again on this side, just leave a few locks out there. And you take your band. Now it's up to you if you want to double tie it. I don't like to double tie mine because I get headaches, so especially wearing my hair up all day. So you have a section out. It's kind of like a up, half down, and then you take the back of your locks, the ones that are out, and you take another hair tie. And you wrap that around the one in the front and the one in the back. So if you wanted to like leave it like this, like a bun, a messy bun, you could. But I'm going to pull my locks all the way through and kind of do like a messy, like high ponytail, because I like that. And then if you want to like put some locks down, you can. And that is how I do my messy or high pony. Now I'll show you the back. So here is the back. So that is my 36-month update. Again, if you want me to do or post a visual journey with just pictures and videos, I can do that in a separate video. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for stopping by. See ya.